Hi, Susie here. Gotta get a quick video of this before he cleans it up. So I'm inside and I'm canning spaghetti sauce. And my husband says, I'm gonna go outside and cut some branches from the tree to feed to the goats. They love tree branches. So he's gone for a while. I come out, look out the window to see. He has done some heavy duty slicing on this tree, which is wonderful. But he's standing in the yard with a confused look on his face, and then I see what he's looking at. That is my picnic.